friends, and welcome back to Traveling with Annie. Today we are in one of the most underrated capitals in Europe, Riga, the capital of Latvia. Riga was actually founded way back in 1201, which makes the city over 800 years old. And you can really feel the history as you walk through the old streets and medieval buildings. It is a place where history and culture mix with modern vibes, and today we're driving into something truly beautiful, the Latvian National Opera and the peaceful garden right in front of it. So let us go and explore. In front of me is the Latvian National Opera, one of the most elegant buildings in Riga. It was built in 1863 and has been the heart of Latvian classical music and ballet scene ever since. Fun fact, this opera house has actually produced some world-famous artists, including Irina Garanka, one of the top mezzo-sopranos in the world. The architecture is neoclassical. It might remind you of Vienna or Paris, but it has its own unique Baltic charm. During the Soviet era, it was called the Riga Opera House, but after Latvia regained its independence, it returned to its original name, becoming a symbol of national pride and freedom. Here's another fun fact. In Latvia, people speak Latvian, and it is actually one of the oldest living Indo-European languages still spoken today. Isn't that wild? I just love sitting here soaking it all in. It is the perfect spot to relax after exploring the city, and in the summer there is often live music performance right here in the park. That is it for today. Thanks so much for watching. If you ever visit Riga, don't miss the chance to explore the Latvian National Opera, even if it is just from the outside, and enjoy some quiet time in the garden. Don't forget to like the video, drop a comment if you have been here, or if you have any question, and hit subscribe for more European adventures. See you in the next video. Bye from Riga.